What's up, guys? We just finished installing this viofo A229 Plus camera. It's front and rear. It's a 2K HDR. Okay, everything, you don't see any wires. We always, in every car we try to hide all the wires. You don't see anything. Okay, and that's the back one over there. That back glass. See it right at the top. Everything is hidden. All the wires are hidden. Anybody who's in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, if you want to have this type of installation, you give us a call. Make sure you buy the hardwire kit when you order these things on Amazon. But if you forget, don't worry. We always stock up on them because everybody always forget to get the hardwire kit. They get the cigarette lighter thing, but that means you're going to have a wire going down to the cigarette lighter. And also, don't forget to buy your SD card that comes with it. It goes right here on the side. That's another mistake people make. They buy the camera and they forget to do that, so they gotta run somewhere and go pick one up. But yeah, we just finished doing the install. Of course, when you turn off the car, the unit shuts off. You know, I don't recommend leaving these cameras on the whole night. It will put a drain in your battery, especially if you park it and you don't drive the car for like a week or so because you're out of town. You could come back with a dead battery. So I always like to put them, these cameras are more like for accidents and stuff like that. I know we got folks that once in a blue moon, I get somebody who wants it for because they have somebody where they work or where they live that's, messing up their car at night. To be honest with you, I mean, I can tell you, yeah, it's going to work, but it's not. Because this thing is only going to record in the front, and then you got the one in the rear that records in the rear. How about if they come from the side? What do you got going on there? And the cameras can only see so much. You're not going to get every angle on a vehicle, putting these dash cams. And not to mention at nighttime is kind of hard, especially if you have tints and you got the light working against you. So if you don't have a clear shot of the face, it's almost impossible for anybody to do anything anyway. So yeah, I mean, if you get in it for that purpose, I really I'll do the install for you, but yeah, these cameras are not really meant for that type of stuff. It's meant for, like, say you park somewhere and and somebody runs into your car while you're getting a bite to eat real quick or something. That's a different ballgame. But to be able to monitor the whole night, it won't happen anyway, because a lot of these cameras are gonna shut off at the minute you turn off the car anyway. Again, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298. And we do have free mobile service. We'll come out. We do like this brand a lot. We also like Blackview. And there's another brand that we like. It's called Thinkware. And for sure, whatever camera you decide to get, it is nice for you to have an app on the phone. Because what's going to happen is if you ever get into an accident, nobody's going to sit going over your house, and cop is not going to take the time out to go over your house and for you to remove the SD card and plug it in the computer and download the videos or nothing like that. That's not going to happen. You need right there and then to show proof that you're not at fault at the accident. That way you don't get the ticket, which is very important that you don't get the ticket. So if you have an app on the phone, it's a lot easier for you to watch the video and you can share it with the police officer or whatnot. And a lot of these apps let you download it to Facebook. You can put it on social media. You can save it in your photo album on your phone. So, and then you can forward it to anybody. So yeah, try to get the camera that has an app on the phone. Sometimes people like to save a little money and get the real inexpensive ones. But from my experience, anybody who gets those little expensive ones, they end up sooner or later getting the camera out of there and buying one that has an app on the phone. I mean, that's just my opinion. I've only been doing this since 1987 as far as security, alarms, GPS, and the whole 9 yards. But yeah, again, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We do like this camera, and we also like the Blackview, and we like the Thinkware. And we thank you for watching this video.